how would you feel when what you dreamed last night, the next morning it becomes your reality?
Locked.
Guys, now I'm heading to the reception because Team Gopro is waiting for me. Here it is, this beautiful reception right next to the beach and the pool.
So this thing contains a lot of swag.
तो मिलिए मिस्टर मार्क से और ये है टीम गोप्रो से। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये जनाब यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं। इनका छोड़ो, मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ। सीन क्या है ब्रू?
स्टोरी टाइम। तो मैं आपको शुरू से कहानी समझाता हूँ। कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने इंस्टाग्राम के पोस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट किया। उस पोस्ट के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद आई वाज क्यूरेटेड एज अ वन क्रिएटर जिसको यहाँ बुलाया गया। गोप्रो हैज कोलैबोरेटेड विद क्लब मेड कानी and they have invited some talented influencers coming from Sydney, they're coming from Korea, they're coming from Thailand, they're coming from Singapore, they're representing their country and I'm coming from India. यहाँ पे आने के बाद हमें 3 दिन तक 3 अलग अलग challenges मिलेंगे जिनके अंदर हमारी अलग अलग थीम होगी and we are supposed to make pictures and videos on those specific themes in those 3 days. We'll be putting on some dope content in next 3 days. This is it about this, why I'm in Maldives and what is happening. Okay.
Some of it is nice, like a beach towel. First of all, I need to make sure that you get this. This is your very own GoPro that you're going to use to shoot this challenge with.
Okay.
Have you used a GoPro before?
Yeah, I have 6.
Fantastic. Okay, this is a
7?
7, I think.
Yeah.
So anyway, we've got all of these little accessories for you to play with and even essential for you to complete your task. So each of these things represents an activity.
Okay.
And you basically have to choose a row or column of activities that you want to do. And so at the end, you're going to have to submit 5 photographs.
I just received the GoPro accessories and GoPro Hero 7. I'm supposed to choose 5 activities. With that, I'm supposed to make 5 images. So just 1 hour, as always, 1 hour is enough. Let's nail it, dude.
तो जैसा कि मार्क ने बताया ब्रू, 1 घंटे में 5 कैटेगरीज पे पिक्चर्स लेनी है। कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन चैलेंज ये है कि क्लब मेड की प्रॉपर्टीज बहुत बड़ी होती हैं और एक कैटेगरी से दूसरी कैटेगरी में जाने के लिए बहुत वॉक करना पड़ेगा। 1 घंटे में सब कुछ करना है तो चलने से काम नहीं चलेगा ब्रू, भागना पड़ेगा। और इससे पहले कि मैं आपको कहानी में और आगे लेके जाऊं, चलो मैं आपको मिलवाता हूं बाकी के टैलेंटेड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से।
Hi guys, I'm Justina from Malaysia, a travel and lifestyle influencer.
Yo, 大家好，我是 Gopro 大使 Johnny Low。
Hi, I'm Western DJ and I'm from Bali and I'm an Indonesian actress.
What's up people? My name is Zippy, I'm from Singapore and I'm so excited to be here.
What's up guys, my name is Jake Rich, I'm a filmmaker from Sydney, Australia.
Yeah, video. Looking good. Tamara is putting everybody to shave. Whoa! Man. Hey, what are you doing?
नाउ कमिंग बैक टू माई स्टोरी। याद है ना 1 घंटे में 5 कैटेगरीज। तो सबसे पहले मैं पहुंचा यहाँ पर एंड आई शॉट दिस पिक्चर, दिस वन एट ट्रिपीजी एंड दिस वन एट द स्विंग एंड दिस वन एट द पूल साइड।
So guys, this is right now 10:20. Whenever you're planning a beautiful honeymoon, you want to go on a vacations with your family, come to Indian Ocean, come to Maldives, dude. This is amazing. कल मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि how much beautiful it looks. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to sleep and I need to edit my stuff and I need to transfer the data. I need to put my batteries on charge and then I'll chill, I'll sleep. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 in Maldives. I just woke up and got ready. Let's go. We are not late because it's right now 7:25. Anyway guys, the GoPro bag that I have, I received this from GoPro yesterday. It has all the accessories that I need to film. भाई साहब क्या कलर है पानी का, dude, it's crazy. Good morning. Look at it, guys. Wow.
So food at Club Med is super amazing. So before taking my breakfast, I shot few glimpses. And after seeing all these cuisines, I know, you might laugh after seeing my choice.
So guys, we'll be leaving from here in like a while. So before I leave this island and set out for the activities and the adventure for the day, I want to show you guys this place from above. So check it out.
I'm sorry to interrupt, लेकिन अभी के लिए इतना ही है. मिलते हैं आगे की कहानी के साथ अगले एपिसोड में. And let's take a target of 3,000 likes on this video. I know #BrewArmy can do it. And what's there in next vlog? Let me give you a trailer, brew.
So guys, just done with the workshop. Now we are heading to Finhollow Island. We are doing some sort of a challenge. We are filming a couple doing some activities, and so stay tuned for that.
Keep on driving and driving.
Hi.
Hey, Traveling Mondays. How's it?
This is our friend.
Shooting your blog right now.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Hello vlog, how are you? Hi, chill
Hi, chill community. I would say this is amazing.